Okay, this might be a disaster, but this is how you embed a plan book into your web page with Foxbright. And there's two ways you can do it. You can just make the page and it shows up on top on the right, or you can hide that and put it in an assignment like Jody's showing you here. She's hidden it where it normally comes up. Jody, point to where it would come up. It usually comes up here, but you can hide that and embed it in a drop-down. So we're going to talk about embedding it first, and then we'll show you how to get it in the drop-down. You have to have two programs open at the same time. One is the Foxbright teacher page, and the other is going to be your actual plan book page. Right here is the plan book for Jody, and the other page was the Foxbright with her profile on there. Okay, you should probably decide whether you want the hyperlink to begin with or not at the beginning. We're going to first set up the page assuming your plan book's already created. You might want to create the plan book first if you haven't already. First of all, you're going to create the page in My Pages. So that's what Jody has there. You're going to go to the profile settings, a little star there, or wheel there. You're going to add a page. In the menu name, you're going to type the name that the kids will see to click on. So Jody's putting our directions down and typing. She's creating Math Lab for 2015-16. You only have to type it in the one spot. When you go down to save, it fills in all the others. Now go to this new page in the profile settings, edit, and this is your new page. You're going to change the block to plain text enable script, down towards the bottom a little bit.
And then click on change block.
Click change block. You'll see a box where you can edit plain text. This is where you will paste the hyperlink, but you're not ready to do that yet, right where she has the cursor. Now you're going to switch your tab over to your plan book tab. You're going to make sure that you have your plan book open for sharing. So she's going to click on her Math Lab. She's going to make sure it says share. And then if you notice over to the right, point to it. When you get done with it, it should say embed. So she's going to share the plan book. Go down to access, turn it to open. Save this. And now it will show up with an embed option. Where are we at? Okay, go to embed for the plan book you want to embed. You have to change the width to 607 instead of 800 so it fits in the page without overlap. Copy the embed code. Go back to your tab for the Foxbright and paste the embed code in there and save it. Now you notice how it comes up over there on the side. If you want them just to use it there on the side, you're done. If you want to put it in the drop down, go back to, where is it at? Go back to your profile. Go into the drop down where you want to put it. Edit. In a new spot, go to link page. Is that right? Mm-hmm. Type in the down where it says search. Type in the title you gave it, which was Math Lab, and you'll show up. Hit OK. Save. Now in her drop down, all of them will show up, and the hyperlinks are there. Now, if you want to hide the one that was up above, go back to your profile settings. Go into the settings and choose hide. So the page has been created and it's not showing up on your website. Now go back and publish. You might want to preview first. See if it's the way you want it to look.
So notice
it's gone, but the link is still there, and if she clicks on it, she'll have an active plan book. Oops, it should work.
Hold on.
And then publish. We haven't published it, that's why it didn't work.
Mm-hmm.